Namaste and welcome. And in this session, we will cultivate a feeling of acceptance and love for the body, which builds our self-confidence. We are blessed to have a human body which allows us to move, consume nourishing food, breathe fresh air, and support all daily activities. But due to our conditioning, we perceive our bodies as per a standard and image defined by society. We tend to be critical and judge our bodies, but we can change that inner narrative by appreciating the body and accepting it just the way it is. And this really helps boost our self-esteem. So let us begin by getting ready for the practice. Finding a quiet and a comfortable place. You may practice seated cross-legged on a yoga mat. Optionally, you may also sit with your back against the wall. If you're not comfortable sitting down, feel free to sit on a chair with your feet resting on the floor. It's important that you feel comfortable and alert during the practice. As you settle, gently close the eyes or keep them partially open with a soft gaze downwards. Place your hands on the knees. Lift the chest up and lengthen the spine. Roll your shoulders up and backwards. Relax your neck and the arms. Soften the abdomen. Relax the facial muscles, keeping a gentle smile on your face. Take a slow and deep breath in and breathe out completely. Take 2 more deep breaths on your own, relaxing completely on the exhalation. For the remainder of the practice, you will be aware of my voice and keep the body still. Become aware of the body, awareness of your posture. Notice if any parts of the body feel tight or tensed. Making a conscious effort to soften the muscles and relax the body while keeping the spine upright. Observe the whole body as a single entity. Now bring your awareness to the breath. Notice which parts of the body move as you breathe in and out. Feel the subtle expansion and contraction. Observing the rhythm of your natural and spontaneous breath. Now begin to deepen the inhalation and lengthen the exhalation. Slow and deep inhalation. Slow and longer exhalation. As you breathe in, feel the body energizing. As you breathe out, feel the body relaxing. completely. Letting go with every exhalation. Now return to natural breath. Take a moment to think about your body. As we get older, we may complain about the body changing, but that's the beauty of life and the law of nature. No matter the shape or size, your body is beautiful. We must love and appreciate our bodies exactly as they are. We are beautiful in our own way, and we should always remember to love each and every part of the body, inside and out. Your body is composed of individual cells, organs, and systems which work together in harmony to keep you at your best healthy self. Think about your feet. You might have little crooked toes, or you might have perfectly straight ones. Yet, each and every one is perfect in its own way. Your feet and toes help you move and get to where you want to go. So let's be thankful to these amazing feet that carry you places you want to go. Now think about your legs, your strong, wonderful legs. Some legs are thick and some legs are thin. But what matters is that they are strong enough to help us move. It's very important to keep in mind that you don't need to look like anyone else. You are already perfect in your own way. Now consider your strong back and shoulders. They help you lift and move things. They hold you up straight and help you walk tall. It's important to be thankful for your strong back and shoulders for carrying what you need to carry in life. Now think about your arms and hands. How wonderful it is to be able to hug the people you love. Thanks to our arms and hands, we can hold the people we care about during happy and sad times. So be thankful to your arms for how strong and beautiful they are, helping you every day. Finally, think about your beautiful face. There's no other face like yours. People can see your beauty shining through the eyes and your smile. So remember today and every day to be thankful for your beautiful body. It will be with you always to help you experience life and express yourself in many different ways. Now repeat to yourself either mentally or out loud, whatever feels natural. I accept my body. I accept my body. I love myself just the way I am. I love myself just the way I am. And I am beautiful. I am beautiful. Gradually, bring the awareness back to the breath. Feel the movement of breath in the body. Become aware of the body and feel the sense of touch. Feel the contact between the body and the seat. Feel your palms resting on the knees. Observe your body as a single entity. And notice how you feel at this moment. Is anything different from the beginning of the session? If yes, do acknowledge it. Making gradual movements, wiggle your fingers and toes. Move the neck side to side. Bring your hands in front of chest with palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Rub your palms till you feel them getting warm. And then cup them over the eyes. Enjoy this feeling of warmth on your face. And then release your hands and open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Remember that you are beautiful and your body is perfect just the way it is. When we accept ourselves as we are, we naturally feel complete and confident. I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Hari Om Tat Sat.